Hey guys, hope everything is going well. All right, so it's been a while since I've done a video. I've been really busy at work. I'm gonna try to start doing more videos now. And I wanted to look at Bitcoin. And really like to work at All Star Charts. They're really good technicians out there. And Steven Straza, a technical analyst there, he has this chart. And this is what he says: with the momentum highest or with the highest momentum readings in 2 years as Bitcoin tries to reclaim the prior cycle highs. And he thinks that the conditions are ripe for going much higher. And if you look at this chart more closely, you see the positive divergence in the 14 period RSI. And you see now the highest momentum reading in 2 years. So he, from a technical perspective, is believing that Bitcoin is going to go higher. Now, with the RSI that high, sure, you'd like to see at least a pullback. But from a longer term perspective, this, in my opinion, is somewhat bullish for crypto. And I keep on talking, and I'm not the biggest crypto fan out there. I've People who've known me for a while, I've ripped on Bitcoin, but ultimately I've figured out through the research of Jeffrey Snyder, the 5-year tips yield, I think is very important to look at. I look at tips yields a lot, especially in gold trading and all of that. So if you look at lately, so the tips yield again from what 2% all the way now it's at what positive 1.3%. So, the more negative the yield gets, that should be bullish for crypto. Let me take a look at stock charts and let's take a look at Bitcoin and let's look at some of these charts. Bitcoin to US dollar, okay? So you could see that we're where we're at compared to what November or early November. If you look at what the chips yield. Now, I don't think that there's a correlation um, all the time, every day of the week, day by day. But what I can tell you is the lower it goes, and Jeffrey Snyder, I've showed you in other videos, showed that, hey, this tends to be more correlated than not. The lower this goes, the more bullish for alternative assets. I like the 10-year tips yield to look at gold. Now, once again, day by day, you can't use it as a metric. However, if we see this yield going down, that should be, in my opinion, very bullish for crypto in the next, I would say, 16 months. And I believe we are going to be seeing lower interest rates. Yeah, inflation is out there. I see the comments, but the last CPI report was 6.5%. And I don't believe the inflation numbers, but this is what Wall Street looks at. And when you have Wall Street seeing these lower numbers, they're going to try to pump up the market. Now, this week, they are going to probably be some issues with the debt ceiling and the weeks ahead. So, yeah, there's going to be volatility, but ultimately, from a longer term trend perspective, this is not investment advice. This is just me thinking out loud. I believe crypto, gold, etc., will be going higher. Pullback, I do expect with this debt ceiling stuff going on. And also, I noticed that the dollar index is set to rally with the DeMark indicator guys who follow it. You just can type it in on Twitter. So it is what it is. Just wanted to give you updates on this. I do like what I see in crypto, and my opinion, I believe that next 16 months should be pretty good. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you later. See ya. Bye.